I am Li Mingyan, SA17009. Now I am going to presenting my code project, which is a ATM automatic transaction machine. Now this is my code for the ATM transaction, and this is the ABC of the file operation that I have written, saved in abc.txt. Now I will try to open my code. Okay, this is my code that I have written using many, for example, for loop, if else, switch case, array and pointer, and this is the file operation in the name of abc.txt. Now I will try to run my program. I have set my code of the pin as 0000. If I have entered a wrong password, let's say it's a 1234, it will show a wrong password and the transaction has been cancelled. It's a 000. In my account number is 123123. Now I have entered the main menu. I need to enter my choice. There is a cash deposit 1, and I need to write how many times for my transaction. For example, I need to cash deposit of 2 times and enter 2. So for the first time, my cash deposit is 500 ringgit. The second time, for example, is 400. So the total is 900. So I would wish to continue my transaction. I will type for Y, and I enter my main menu again, and now I will choose 2 for cash withdraw. Now this is the selection for my cash withdraw, 100 until 5,000. If I have entered a selection more than 900, which is my cash deposit, for example 4 for 1,000 ringgit, it will show sorry, you don't have sufficient money. So I can continue my transaction again if I wish to. I type Y. So now I need to enter a amount less than 900, which is my cash deposit. So I select 2 for 200 ringgit. So my amount left is 700, which is the 900 minus 200. And I would like to continue my transaction again. Yes, for typing Y. And now I am enter the section 3 for account balance inquiry. So my name is Lee for the account holder. It will show my account number correct for 123123, and now my balance is 700. And I will continue my transaction again, enter Y. So I enter 4 for minute statement. Yes, it will show us 900 for total cash deposit. Cash withdraw is 200 and the 700 for available balance. So I will continue my transaction again. So I will type 5 to exit my ATM. And I will try to continue again. It will show exit. Thank you for using ATM service. If I type Y again for continue, if I have entered a wrong option, for example 0, that is not inside 1 to 5, it will show error option is not available. So if I am not willing to continue my transaction, I will type N for no. So my process has ended. So now I will open my ABC Talk text in the file operation. Which it will show the correct amount. It will record 900 for cash deposit, cash withdrawal 200, and available balance 700. Thank you.